In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Wayfair's customer service team. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to open up my web browser and then head on over to wayfair.com. And now once you're on their website here, you need to scroll down all the way to the bottom here, and there's a few options. So we'll go back up a little bit here. So we're going to contact us here. So under that, we've got quick help if you need some quick help, or call us, so you can call them directly, and you got their opening hours on the phone here, so you got to call between these hours. You can also open up a chat box here, which is their helpline. So if you want to have a live shopping assistance or customer service help, go ahead and click on customer service help, and then give this a few moments to load. And now from here, speak to the customer service rep about your issues you're having with Wayfair.